Hi there, welcome to Bringin. In this video, I'll be showing how you can easily convert euros in your bank account to Bitcoin in your personal wallet using Bringin. Alright, first things first, let's log into my Bringin account. Here's my email and here's my password, and we are in. Alright, here you can see my dashboard. So when you sign up to Bringin, you get access to a dashboard that looks like this. Here you can see a euro balance. Now, what sets Bringin apart from other services and exchanges is that with Bringin, you get a dedicated IBAN account. Now, what this means is you can safely buy and sell Bitcoin to and from any of your personal Bitcoin wallets from this dedicated IBAN account, which is in your name, and you can do it in a very safe manner. Here you can see there is an option to deposit and withdraw euros. So when I click on deposit euros, you can see the beneficiary details of my dedicated IBAN account, where I can deposit euros from any bank account. All right, so let's go ahead and buy some Bitcoin, shall we? So here you can see there are a bunch of wallet addresses that are already stored from my previous transactions to which I can buy Bitcoin again, or I can choose to buy Bitcoin to a new wallet. So let's name it my Bitcoin wallet Xverse. All right, so let's buy Bitcoin to my Xverse wallet. I will copy my address from here and paste, add address. Here I can just enter the amount of euros that I'd like to purchase, and the Bitcoin price is automatically retrieved. And for 80 euros, I'll be receiving 0.00196 BTC. As of this moment, the price is about 34,665 euros for one BTC. As you can see, there's also the network fee that's displayed that is paid during a transaction, and the transaction fees, which Bringin charges a flat 1% fees for every transaction. There's no hidden charges. That's the best part. All right, so let's go ahead and complete my purchase. Here is a summary of my transaction and confirm. All right, so it'll take a while for the transactions to get confirmed and get deposited into my wallet. The order is in place. I have to enter the verification code that's sent to my mobile phone, and that'll be and now it's just a matter of time before I get my Bitcoin directly into my wallet. Once the transactions are confirmed on the blockchain, I'll be sent a notification email confirming the transaction has been completed, and I can see in my wallet that I've received the Bitcoin. All right, so here you can see that my wallet balance has been updated. So that's how you buy Bitcoin using Bringin. Keep calm and stack sats.